Hi. So I'm going to be talking about um, the agents that is actually inside African Marketplace. Before I begin, my name is Nero. Okay, so if you look at the agent at the left hand side, this agent actually deals with the agent that handles the whole website. But there's another agent. There are two other agents that are present on this application that has to do with the refund policy, refund management, and the rest, and also the ones with marketing management that helps us that triggers a mail when a user uh, when users subscription is about to get expired. So, but I will talk about this for now. So, imagine you get to this site and you're looking for a particular shop that you need to work with. If I say I want to connect with Lollibees, Lollibees business, and I press enter, it's gonna go and search for that.
You can connect with Lollibees directly through their marketplace profile. Here's the link you need. Lollibees, fashion and apparel shop. Feel free to reach out there for any inquiries or to check out their latest products.
Okay, so if I click on this and it's gonna take me to the website to the main shop because every vendor that's actually on this portal or this website or that is a member of this website, all of them have one particular website or link to them that people their customer they can just give to their customer. So if I click on this, it will take me straight up to that particular Lollibees business website. Yeah. So if I come here, this is I can transact. These are all Lollibees business or products. But if I'm not doing this and I want to connect directly to Lollibees by just using the email, I want to send an email, I can come over here and just send. I can notify Lollibees member that okay, fine, I want to connect with you. I want to try and reach out to you. How can we get to talk? And so that's one of the ways in which I can connect. And let me show you that from the email so that you know that this all works. So if I come here and I say mail and I say mail, you see, can you see this? Because I connected via all I just wanted to do is reach out to the Lollibees business on week and that's it. That's the latest. You can see that it's actually the latest that is coming on the screen. But I'm going to minimize this and quickly go back to this. And so another thing you can do is let's say for instance you're searching. Of course, you know you can search with this. If you say you want to buy a particular product in question, let's say I want to buy shorts. I want to buy shorts bubu adure. So it's going to suggest shops in which I can actually get all those
Great
things.
choice. Here are the options for the short bubu attire available at Lollibees. 1.
Can you see? Of course, I can actually get it. If there are so many shops here, which we are actually working on our vendors, you can also get that. All these things is working on a particular platform, and those platform is it's actually rich. It connects to the product, it connects to the users, it connects uh to the shop owners, it connects to the. You can actually search all those things online, even their location. uh can you give me the address? Can you give me the address to reach them? Let's see whether it's going to give us the address. Okay, fine.
I don't have a specific address for Lollibees, but you can contact them through their marketplace page linked here.
Okay.
Lollibees, fashion and apparel shop. If you need assistance with any specific questions or inquiries about their products, feel free to reach out directly on that.
Okay, so uh, you can also connect to their address. That's what that means. But because we are not taking all those things because of privacy law and what have you, we've tried to be restrictive about that. But everybody, we uh, you get a contact when you get on this board, when you get on this interface, when you get on this chat board, you should be able to, it will take you, it will let you connect, it will let you get connected to the particular um, shop owner or vendors at any point in time. You just need to ask in here, and that's what the inclusive African marketplace is. And so for the agents internally, if I go to super user, this is, I'm actually in the super user mode. And so if I click here, this is super user mode. You see there's a lot of things there. This is what manages the campaigns. All these campaigns they are all managed, yeah, they are all sent and managed um by the uh by the business, by the agents. And so you can actually do your campaign, you can do your product management also, uh, uh refund management. You can also do your refund management. There's nobody we are actually sending refund to now. um we can do your the agent can also handle your shop rentals. You can see with this send mail, it sends mail automatically, and you can come here over manually and send the mail. These are the things that agent can do. The agent picks their detail. There's a ground document in which the agent pick their document from. This is a knowledge base. If you come over here, these are all agents ground knowledge, and all the knowledge comes through here and it's been sent to this place. They pick all the information, most of the information that is being used, it's being picked from here. We can add more to it. More information can be added to it by just you know coming over here. You can even ask about the policy. What is the policy of the business? If you come over here and you ask for the policy of the business, what is the policy of the business refund?
I don't have specific details about Lollibees' refund policy. For accurate information regarding their return and refund processes, I recommend checking directly on their marketplace page or contacting them through the provided link. Lollibees, fashion and apparel shop. If you
Okay, all right, but the refund, there's a refund that has been wired to the system that is on the site that you can also, it helps you to connect to all the information that you need. Thank you. This is all about the agents. There are more things that can be discussed about the agent, but it's based on the needs.